Hello everyone, welcome back to Genius Knowledge Point, your one place for practical programming solutions for computer and IT students. I am making this video to provide practical knowledge to all students so that you can develop your own programs which will be helpful for your studies as well as career. In this video we will perform practical number 14 of Python programming, which is according to case scheme of Diploma Computer and IT students, and the semester number is 4. So the topic here is write a user-defined function to implement the following problem. Function, positional or required arguments, then function with keyword argument, function with default argument, function with variable length argument. So out of this, the function with variable length argument question is given only. The other questions are not given. So directly we will move to the question of this practical related questions. So write a program to demonstrate use of variable length argument. So before starting the code, we have to understand what is variable length argument. So in the previous practical we have seen this function that is define prime number, and in that parameter bracket we are passing one single number. So whenever we are calling this function, what we have to specify? We have to specify the function name, and in the bracket we have to specify single integer variable. So that we have done in the previous question, and this is how this function will be called. But this function is designed for only single number as an argument. So whenever we want to accept multiple numbers as an argument or multiple values as an argument, in that case we have to use variable length arguments. So moving toward the code of this question. So how to define the function with variable length argument? We have to specify the def keyword before starting the function definition. So defining, after that we have to specify the function name. So add underscore numbers, this is my function name, and after that in round bracket I am passing star args. So this is the variable length arguments, and they are specified with the help of star. So that means this function will be accepting variable or multiple length of arguments. So multiple values will be accepted at this location. So that is the specification we are doing using this star. So inside the function definition I am using one variable, that is total underscore sum, and assigning it as value 0. So total sum is equal to 0. Then I am using for loop. So for num in args, so multiple arguments will be taken here as a list, and those values will be taken inside this num variable one by one while iterating. So in that for loop, what I am doing, total sum is equal to num plus total sum, or total sum plus is equal to num. So I am adding this number variables or the number values into total sum. So this is how this for loop will be ended, and after that I am returning this total sum value. So this function is returning this total sum of the numbers that we have accepted inside this parameter bracket. So this is how the function definition is complete. Then after that I am creating one more variable, that is result1 is equal to add underscore numbers. So this is the function name. So we are calling function now, and in the parameter bracket we are passing three numbers here separated by commas. So all the three numbers will be taken into these parameters or arguments, and after those arguments are taken, they will be accepted inside this function, and they will be taken into num variable one by one, and the total sum will be calculated, and that value is returned here. So the result one is total sum of this 1, 2 and 3 digits, or 1, 2, 3 numbers. So this is how the first function calling is done here. Then I am using second variable as result2 is equal to add numbers. Again I am passing multiple numbers here, 10, 20, 30, 30, 40. So this is how the second function is called here, using again multiple numbers of arguments. So this is how again it will calculate the addition or the sum of these numbers, and that sum will be returned here, and that value will be stored into this result2 variable. Then again I am doing same for result3. So this time I am passing 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So 6 times 5 is passed here. Again that value will be taken and addition will be happening here, and the returned value will be stored into this result3 variable. So this is how three variables are taken, and 3 times I am calling this add numbers function. So the respective values are stored here. I am just using now print statement. Sum of 1, 2, 3 is, and attaching result1 variable value. Then sum of 10, 20, 30, 40 is, then attaching result2 variable value. Then sum of 6 pies is, result 3 variable value. So this is how the output will be printed here and 3 result values will be printed here. So the coding is complete. We have used variable length arguments here using star args. So to run this program, I have to go to the location, then I have to open CMD here. So after typing CMD, I am pressing enter. So CMD is started. Then command is py space file name dot py. So variable is my file name and py is the extension. So after entering, you can see the output is generated. Sum of 1, 2, 3 is 6, that is printed. Then sum of 10, 20, 30, 40 is 100, which is correct output, and sum of 6 5s is 30. So again it is correct output. So this is how we can use a function and we can pass multiple number of parameters inside that function using variable length argument. And this question is complete. Also practical number 14 is complete, which was just having single question which was regarding variable length argument, and this practical is ended here. So that's it for today's practical. I hope you understand the program clearly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such programming solutions, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. If you have any doubts or need solutions for other programs, drop a comment below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy coding.